Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another plan with me. And this week I will be memory planning the week of July 20th through July 26th. And the kit I will be using is this kit called Mermaid Spell, and it is from GL Designs Group. I love that shop very, very much. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to lay down at the base of the spread, speed you guys up, throw some music on, and then we will talk again when I get into the day to day.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be.
So the first thing that I wanted to mark is that I uploaded my memory spread on this day, and I've started uploading my memory spreads on Monday instead of on Wednesday. I kind of feel like I like that better, and then leaving Wednesday up for like whatever. I can either upload a PP Weeks plan with me or a monthly highlights or a haul or I don't know, something. But I think I really enjoy uploading my plan with me's on Monday. Leave it in the comments below if you guys like this new thing. I'm kind of digging it. But anyways, to mark that, I'm using this beautiful floral box from Crafts by Towie, and then that planner is from Planning World, and that flourish is from Honey Inked, and the upload script is from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. Then the next thing that I wanted to mark on this day is that the weather was super insanely gorgeous, so I wanted to mark that I went to the pool and got some sun, and it was really nice because I had the pool all to myself, which is good because, you know, trying to stay socially distanced while also trying to enjoy my summer, you know. But anyways, I just layered that little adorable emoji over a doily dot from Crafts by Towie, and I just put those over a third box from the kit. Then I wanted to mark that I received some Happy Mail on this day. Always a good day when you get Happy Mail. And I used this gorgeous like lace box from Crafts by Towie. I got a couple sheets of those. I hauled them, and I already know I need more because they're absolutely stunning. That envelope is from My Newest Addiction, and the Happy Mail script is from my mom's shop. Then the last thing I wanted to mark on this day is that I went running at the track with my dad. So to mark that, I'm just using a label from the kit. That mini mandala is from Honey Inked. Those shoes are from Sweet Tea Plans, and the running script is from my mom's shop. And then I use that little fancy flourish from Honey Inked. Jumping over to Tuesday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I slept in on this day. And to mark that, I'm using a wide bowstring box from The Giving Girl. I love these. They come on the bowstring box samplers. They're so great. I absolutely love them. And I'm layering a couple of vine deco pieces from Honey Inked. And then that adorable sleep mask is from Letters from Lay. I love her shop. She's new. She's also here on YouTube. I hauled her stickers. Go check her out. Love it. Then the next thing I wanted to mark is that Shane and I did a huge grocery run on this day. We try to space out our grocery trips because, you know, COVID and social distancing and stuff, but it was time. Mother Hubbard's cupboards were absolutely bare, so we did a huge grocery run on this day. So to mark that, I'm using a half box, not really a half box, it's more like a third, kind of bigger than a third box from the kit, and then these 2 floral deco pieces are from Honey Inked. The grocery bag is from Planning Boss, and then the grocery shop sticker is from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. Then I wanted to mark that I got some more heavy mail on this day, and to mark that I'm using this little, I guess it's kind of like a burst, a half burst thing from Honey Inked. I don't know what exactly to call them, but it's really pretty. And then I layered a sticky note from Crafts by Towie over top of that with an envelope from Rose and Tea Shop, and the Happy Mail script is from my mom's shop, Boodles Doodles Design. Then to finish out the night, I wanted to mark that I did a lot of studying on this day. I am taking a new nutrition course to become certified as a nutrition specialist, and oh my goodness, there's so much to learn. So to mark that, I am using a half box from the kit. That desk is from Planning World, that vine deco piece is from Honey Inked, and the study script is from my mom's shop. Jumping over to Wednesday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I did a YouTube binge. So to mark that, I am using a third box from the kit. That YouTube icon is from My Newest Addiction. That little shell is just a deco piece from the kit, and the YouTube binge script is from my mom's shop. Then I wanted to mark that I had a Zoom personal training session, and I wanted to mark that in a different kind of way. So I took 2 mini mandalas from Honey Inked, and I put them like side by side with a little fancy box from Sweet Bella XOXO in the middle, and I thought it looked really pretty. I kind of liked the way it pulled all together and how the foil looked. And then that little laptop icon is from Sassy Planner Co. Then I wanted to mark that I edited my haul on this day, and to mark that I'm using this beautiful scallop half box from Panda Bird Design along with a laptop girl from Panda Bird Design. So pretty. I love marking editing that way. And then I'm using another gorgeous like lace foiled box from Crafts by Towie to mark that I did more studying on this day, along with that stack of books that is also from Crafts by Towie. Jumping over to Thursday, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that this was my nephew's 12th birthday. And oh my goodness, I cannot believe he's 12. He is my baby. He's my first nephew, and he's already 12. What is happening? To mark that, I am marking that with a bowstring box from The Giving Girl over top of another vine deco piece from Honey Inked, a couple of little deco pieces from the kit, and those balloons are from Rose and Tea Shop. Then I wanted to mark that my nephew requested burgers for his birthday, so I'm just marking that with this little doily dot from Crafts by Towie, and that little girl eating the burger is from Pumpkin Paper Co. And then that flourish, the bow flourish, is from Rose Colored Days. Then I wanted to mark that I organized some new stickers on this day, and I marked that a little differently. I took a mini mandala and I cut it in half and used it in the corner, and then put a flag from Clever Gal Crafts in the center there, and then framed it together with the other half of the mini mandala. And then I put that planner cart from Crafts by Towie, and I just thought it looked really cute. I don't know, I kind of dig it. And then the last thing I wanted to mark is that I did a workout on this day. So I just used a half box from the kit. That little doily dot is from Crafts by Towie. The sports bra is from My Newest Addiction. The flourish is from Rose Colored Days, and the script is from my mom's shop. Jumping over to Friday, this is the day that I did my deep clean of my house. I've mentioned before that I like to deep clean my house, like scrub and get down with it like once a week. And so this was that day. And to mark that, I just used another piece of that vine deco from Honey Inked. Those 2 cleaning icons are from Rose and Tea Shop. In the center there, it is another fancy box from Sweet Bella XOXO, and then the clean house script is from my mom's shop. Then to reward myself for absolutely destroying the cleanliness in the house, or I should say destroying the germs, I played a lot of Animal Crossing, and so I just layered a switch from Letters from Lay over top of that shell from the kit, and that floral deco piece is from Honey Inked, and the play script is from my mom's shop, Boodles Doodles Design. Then I wanted to mark that I made my new schedule for my workout classes that I will soon be offering online. I'm really excited. I'm starting on a new platform. More info to come if you guys are interested, but it will be on Zoom, and I'm one of the new instructors on this new platform, and I'm pretty excited about it. So I just wrote up my new schedule on this day, which I'm super pumped about. And then after I did that, I wanted to mark that I did a really intense home workout. So to mark that, I'm using this flag from Clever Gal Crafts, and then I layered another mini mandala over top of that. The icon sticker is from the GP Studio, and then the workout script is once again from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. All of the scripts that I use in this plan with me are from my mom's shop. So just in case you guys are wondering. Then the last thing I wanted to mark is that I did a lot of studying on this night, so I'm just using a shell icon from the kit. That little book is from Honey Inked, and the study script is from my mom's shop. Jumping over to Saturday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that this was a very lazy day. I'm giving myself some grace while I'm studying this new course because there's a lot to take in. So I'm taking Saturday and Sundays off from studying, so I wanted to have kind of just a chill day. So to mark that, I'm using this little pillow from My Newest Addiction over top of a half box from the kit, and then I use that little lace trim divider from Honey Inked to kind of give it a little oomph and a little something something. Then I wanted to mark that I played, you guessed it, some more Animal Crossing, and I just layered a mini flag on the I layered a mini flag from the kit over a label, and then that switch icon is from Panda Bird Design. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that we made some amazing chicken fajitas on this night, like homemade chicken fajitas. They were so good. Oh, I could seriously I can't even describe. So I wanted to mark that, and I used another one of those beautiful boxes from Crafts by Towie, and that icon is also from Crafts by Towie. And then the last thing I wanted to mark is that I got some Happy Mail on this day, so I'm using another of those vine half scallops from Panda Bird Design, and those sticker sheets are from My Newest Addiction. Jumping over to Sunday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that we spent pretty much the whole afternoon over at Shane's grandparents' house. We celebrated Shane's birthday, which is actually on the 30th, but we wanted to celebrate with his grandparents, so we went over there and pretty much spent the whole day, and his grandma made some amazing pork chops. So to mark that, I'm kind of marking it the same way as I marked my Zoom PT session, but instead of a box from Sweet Bella XOXO, I'm using a circle floral box from Crafts by Towie, and then that grill sticker is from Sweet Tea Plans. Then I wanted to mark that I came home and played some more Animal Crossing, and I just layered 2 flags from the kit, and then that switch is from Panda Bird Design. And the last thing I wanted to mark is that I did film my plan with me on this night, and so to mark that, I'm using this little sticky note from My Newest Addiction. The little film clapper is from Honey Inked, and that thumbtack is from My Newest Addiction. This is what I have left over for the kit, and here's a Viv Wiggle for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope everyone is staying safe and staying healthy, and I hope I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.
Go losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't want to let you know.